Yes, so let us start this particular session. Good evening. Am I audible? Please let me know in the chat box. Oh, okay, great. So this is a problem solving session on decoder where I will be showing you some set of problems related to decoders. So you can take your time, try to solve them, and let us discuss the answer. I think I have discussed one problem related to decoder. So let me share my screen. One second. Please let me know whether my screen is visible. Hope my screen is visible. Yes. So coming to the problems. So this problem we have discussed in the previous sessions. This problem we have discussed it. Now let's start with this particular problem. So you can take your time and you can do it. One second. Let me also enable the clock. So you can take 3 minutes of time for solving this problem and we can discuss the solution after you have encountered the answer, right? Yes. So let me put the slideshow. Yes, your time has started. So please try to do it. Let's see what's the option we are going to get. One second. So the logic circuit shown below implements a particular decoder and they're asking what is the output expression Z is a simple question. So there are basically four options and we need to find out what is the matching answer. So we have been given a simple decoder and we need to find out the output Z. That's it. Last 1 minute. Anyone got the answer? So a particular logic circuit is given, a decoder is given, and with enable signal also is given. Okay. And please don't forget this enable signal. This has also been given. So you need to get your answer with respect to D also. Anyone got the answers? Anyone got the answer? Okay, let me also do it parallelly. Let's see what is the option we are going to get. So you can see this is a bubbled input NAND gate. So bubbled input NAND gate is equivalent to a OR gate. Okay. So we are going to just use a OR gate over here, and this bubble and this bubble will be cancelled out. So it's normal D. Okay. So our expression will be in terms of D, and we need to find out the internal expression which is present inside the brackets. So I'm going to add the D0. Okay, D0 is nothing but A bar, B bar, and C bar plus D1 is nothing but A bar, B, C plus D3 is A, B bar, C bar plus, sorry, D3 is nothing but, okay, this is D1 and this is D3, A bar, B, C plus D4. D4 is A, B bar, C bar plus D7 is ABC. So if I solve this, I'm going to get my solution. Okay. So is there any common terms? I need to look for the common terms. So here I can see A bar, B bar. If I take common, C will be cancelled out. And okay, so D into A bar, B bar plus A bar, BC plus A, B bar, C bar plus ABC. This is what I am left with. So BC, if I take common, then A plus A bar will be equal to 1. So I will be left with A bar, B bar plus BC plus A, B bar, C bar. This is what I'm going to get. Um, okay, so can we do any simplification over here? Anyone got the answer for this? B into A bar, B bar plus BC plus A B bar C. A B bar C bar. Did we do any mistake, any simplification mistake? Let me check it out. This is D0 A bar B bar C bar plus D1 A bar B bar C plus D3 A bar B C plus D. Okay, what is this term? D5 is not there now. Okay, okay. Let me erase everything once again. Let me write it down. So I have D into A0 A bar B bar C bar plus 1 A bar B bar C plus 3. 3 is A bar BC plus 4. Okay, I have 4 also. 3 and 4. Okay. A B bar C bar plus 7 ABC. Okay, I need to look for the common terms over here. BC is getting. Okay. And B bar C bar, B bar C bar over here. So it will be D into B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C plus BC. This is what I'm left with. BC plus B bar C bar plus A bar B, A bar B bar C. I'm not okay. I'm getting one more extra term C. Okay. Option D. A bar B bar plus B XNOR with C. What about this C term? How you have eliminated this? Am I missing anything? Yes, Prajwal. Or we can use a simply K-map, you can use it. Using K-map also you can solve it. And once verify whether you are getting option D or not. And what about others? Are you getting the same answer or any different answers? Hello, am I audible? And yeah, you can add this to also. So A bar, B bar, C plus BC. So then also you will be not eliminating the C term. Okay, using Keymap you can solve it and once verify whether you are getting the option D or not. Okay. Am I audible for others also? Once please let me know. Hello. So the next question, let me share my screen. Yes. So in the following circuit, the function f1 into f2. They are asking the product of this particular function f1 into f2. Just try it out. What is that you are going to get? Let me know. Okay, let me also do this parallelly. So let's see what is that we are going to get. So we need to find out f1 and we need to find out f2 and we need to multiply them. So f1 is basically connected to d0. Here you can see d0 and it is also connected to d6. So it is 0, 6 and it is connected to 4, 0, 6, 4 and what else it is connected to? 2. Okay, and f2 it is connected to 5 and 3 and what else? 1 and 7. Okay, so let me draw the K map quickly. Let us use the K map for solving. In terms of x2 is your MSB, so please be careful, and it's a 3 variable K map. So 8 number of cells, x2, x1 and x0. This is x1 complement, x0 complement, x1 bar x0, x1 x0 and x1 x0 complement, and this is x2 complement and this is x2 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. So we have minterm 0 4 and 2, 0 4 6 and 2, 0 4 6 and 2. So you can make a quad, which means you are going to get x1, sorry, x0 complement. So f1 is equal to x0 complement. And similarly for your f2. So f2 has midterms 5 3 1 7. 5 3 1 and 7. So this is one quad and the common terms is x0. So f1 is equal to x0. So if you multiply, sorry, f2 is equal to x0. So f1 into f2, if you are going to do, it's nothing but 0. So the answer here over here is 0. Okay. Yes. Everyone getting 0 or any other answers you're getting? Please let me know in the chat box. Are you getting 0 or any other answers? Okay. Hope this is clear. Now, yeah. Coming to the last question. So a logic circuit consists of two 2 cross 4 decoders as shown below, where this is one decoder and this is one more decoder, and x, y, and z is connected to the x, y is connected to the first decoder and z is connected to the second decoder. So the outputs of the decoder are as follows: d0 is equal to 1 whenever these two are equal to 0 0, D1 is equal to 1 whenever you have the combination of 1, 0. And D2 will be equal to 1 when this combination, and D3 will be equal to 1 for this combination. And they are asking the value of f of xyz is. So this is a question. Okay. Just try to give the answer. You can take your time and try to find out the answer. So they are asking us to find out the value of f of xyz, where they have also given d0 when it will become 1 and d1 when it will become 1. They have given it clearly. So uh, we need to find out the value of function f of xyz. Okay, so let me also do it parallelly. So here, let us write down the minterms. The minterm for d0 is x complement y complement. Sorry, y is your MSB and x is your LSB. So here I'm considering my y has to be MSB, and this x has to be my LSB. Okay. So d0 is nothing but y bar x bar, and d1 is nothing but y bar x, and this is y x bar, and this is yx. Okay. And here I'm going to get yx complement into, sorry. This is the mistake we do, but we need to carefully see the question. 0, 0 is your first minterm, y complement and x complement, and second minterm is 1, 0, where a1 is equal to 0 and a0 is equal to 1. So, sorry, it's 0, 1 only. It's 0, 1, that is y bar x. Next is yx bar, correct only. Yx bar and yx. Yeah, okay. And yx bar into yx we have. So, this is the thing which we are going to have, and we are going to get 0. Yx bar into yx is equal to 0. So this will be fixed to 0, and we are going to have z, and we need to find out f. So f is a addition of d0 and d1. d0 plus d1, where d0 is nothing but whenever you are, okay, this a1 is always fixed to 0, and 0 and z. Yeah, I think we are going to get f as equal to 0 only, because one of its, your a1 is fixed to 0, right? So I think f is equal to 0, which I'm going to get. Others also, are you getting the same? X bar, okay? Yx bar into yx is 0, right? So this AND gate output is equal to 0, and we have one more input as z. So the output is addition of these two minterms, d0 and d1, where d0 is nothing but y bar x bar, and d1 is nothing but y bar x. Okay. Yeah, 1 second. So d0, we can write it down as a1 complement into a0 complement, which is nothing but d0 is equal to a1 is equal to 0, right? So 1 into z complement. Okay, d0 is equal to z complement, and d1 is nothing but uh, d1 is 0, 1. So which is nothing but a1 complement into E0, which is 1 into Z. So D0 is Z complement and D1 is Z, and you're going to add it. So Z plus Z complement, which is equal to 1. Yeah, this is the answer, not 0. So F is equal to 1. Did you all get it? How the answer is 1? Yes or no? Is this clear how you got the answer as 1? Okay, fine. So if you're not clear, please let me know so that I can explain. Okay. Yes. So that's about this particular session. And from next session, we are going to start with sequential circuits and we will have our discussion on the sequential circuits. Okay. Yes. Thank you.